Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity to share my research experience in this webinar. Let me extend my gratitude to the Faculty of Education Universitas Negeri Semarang, especially the Committee of the International Webinar on Primary Education Research, Pivotal Literature and Research for having me here as the speaker. I'm Evi Sofianingsih from Islamic Elementary School in San Mulia Ngalian, Semarang, Indonesia. Today, I would like to share my research experience on the effectiveness of proportional material in representing place values in the mathematics learning of second grade elementary school students. In writing this my research journal on the effectiveness of proportional material in representing place values in the mathematics learning of second grade elementary school students, there is introduction, method, result, and discussion, conclusion. According to the National Education Standard Agency, mathematics is a universal science that underlies the development of modern technology, has an important role in various disciplines and advances human thinking power. Mathematics subject need to be given to all students starting from elementary school to equip students with the ability to think logically, analytically, systematically, critically, creatively, and the ability to cooperate. In Indonesia, many students who consider mathematics subjects are difficult subjects. Mathematics is the basis of all science, but most students have problems learning mathematics. In fact, what happened in elementary school, the quality of learning is not as expected. The media and teaching aids used by the teacher are inadequate, so that the lack of enthusiasm and thoroughness of the student has an impact on student learning outcomes, especially in material that has count, addition, and subtraction. These problems were also found in Gugus Kawi Elementary School, Semarang. For this reason, improvement need to be made in the learning process by using teaching aids because mathematics is an abstract science that requires concrete objects to be more clearly understood. Ashar argues that teaching aids are media that have characteristics and or forms of teaching material concepts that are used to demonstrate the material so that learning material is easier for students to understand. According to Rahnawan, prop or teaching aids are one of the abstract models that can support mathematics learning. Teaching aids that can help students understand the concept of operation counting numbers, especially addition and subtraction, are block-ins and abacus. Block-ins are teaching aids developed by Zoltan Paul Dienst that aim to improve student understanding of chopped number, counting operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division and geometry. Abacus is a tool that is used as a teaching aid that function to model numbers in a concerted manner. Clarified by the opinion of Rus Effendi in Hidayati, the stand are one of the mathematical teaching aids that can be used to explain the concept or notion of place values of a numbers, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and addition and mixing operation. The purpose of this research is to test the effectiveness of prop block-ins with images media, to test the effectiveness of abacus with images media, to test the effectiveness of block-ins with abacus. This research used quasi-experimental with a population of second grade students of Gugus Kawi Elementary School, Semarang in the academic year 2018-2019. The research design used was non-equivalent control group design. The sampling technique used cluster sampling in a study conducted by Fatah et al. With a quasi-experimental design using a form of non-equivalent control group design, and the selection of sample not done entirely randomly because it is not possible to create a new class. So, use existing classes to use. I agrees with the opinion of the research conducted by Fatah et al. The results of determining the sample showed that there were 3 classes used, namely second class of Tegal Sari 1 Elementary School as experimental class 1, second class of Tegal Sari 3 Elementary School as experimental class 2, Muhammadiyah 16 Elementary School as control class, and Wonotingal Elementary School as instrumental class. The variables in this study consisted of independent variables, namely block DINS and abacus, as well as images media. The dependent variable is the learning outcomes of second-class students in mathematics. Data collection techniques using tests and non-tests in the form of observation, interviews, and documentation. The test instrument before being used is analyzed by a test device, namely the validity, reliability, level of difficulty, and the power of the different question. Learning outcomes data were analyzed by Z-test, right-hand 1T test, and N-can test. The research hypotheses are testing the effectiveness of block DINS with images media, test the effectiveness of abacus with images media, and test the effectiveness of block DINS with abacus. In the experimental class 1, used block DINS. The experimental class 2 used abacus, and the control class used the images media. The meetings of experimental class 1, experimental class 2, and control class is the same. Each class starts with a pretest and holds a meeting 4 times and ends with post-test. In results of preliminary data analysis, used data analysis for normality test using Lilliefors test. The preliminary normality test data shows pretest value data in experimental class 1, experimental class 2, and control class with normal distribution. Next, data analysis for homogeneity test using Bartlett test. The pre-test value of experimental class 1, experimental class 2, and control class have the same variance or homogeneous. The similarity test result of the average pre-test value using the ANOVA test, analysis of variance in one direction. Student of experimental class 1, experimental class 2, and the control class has the same initial abilities. Based on preliminary data analysis, it can be concluded that the pretest values of the 3 classes are normally distributed, have the same variance or homogeneous, and in the condition of the same initial ability of student. The normality of the final data or post-test in experimental class 1, experimental class 2, and control class used the Lilliefors test. The result of post-test normality test in the experimental class 1, 2, and control class was normally distributed. The final data homogeneity test or post-test used the V-test, and the result, the post-test data between experimental class 1 and control class was homogeneous. The post-test data between experimental class 1 and control class is homogeneous. That the post-test data between the experimental class 1 and experimental class 2 was homogeneous. Analysis of hypothesis 1 test is to test the effectiveness of block DINS with images media using the Z-test, the right-T test, and N-kind. Analysis of hypothesis 1 with using Z-test result, the control class of the proportional of students who have finished learning does not reach 75%. Furthermore, a test of the difference in the average use of prop block DINS with images media using the right-T test, the result is X0 rejected, which means that learning mathematics using prop block DINS has an average of more than the average mathematics learning using media images of learning mathematics of class 2 Gugus Kawi Elementary School Semarang, addition material and reduction of chopped number. After testing the difference in average learning outcomes, then next calculate the increase in student ability between before and after giving treatment in the experimental class 1 and control using N-kind. Data increase the average value of the pretest and post-test of experimental class 1 and the control class is presented in a line diagram. The N-kind class that uses block DINS in the experimental class 1 is higher than the control class even though the same criteria is moderate. This is in line with the research conducted by Oktarandi that the use of plugins can increase compiled summaries for students who have learning difficulties. Another research using plugins teaching aids was also carried out by ULAS3 that using plugins can improve student learning outcomes in reducing number material in Class 1 mathematics subjects. Analysis of Hypothesis 2 test is to test the effectiveness of Abaqus with images media using the Z-test, the RAG-T test, and NGAN. Analysis of Hypothesis 2 with using Z-test result the experimental class 2, the proportion of students who complete learning research 75%. Furthermore, a test of the difference in the average use of prop with the image media using the RAG-T test. The results that learning mathematics using a props has a mean more than the average of mathematics learning using images media on the learning outcomes of Class 2nd Gugus Kawi Elementary School Semarang addition and reduction of whole numbers. After testing the difference in average learning outcomes, then next calculate the increase in student ability between before and after treatment in the experimental class 2 and control using NGAN. Data increase the average value of the pre-test and post-test of experimental class 2 and the control class is presented in a line diagram. So, the NGAN class using props in the experimental class 2 is higher than the control class even though the same criteria is moderate. This is in line with the research conducted by Marzuki that learning by using a child can improve student achievement. Analysis of Hypothesis 3 test is to test the effectiveness of plugins with Abaqus using the Z-test, the RAG-T test, and NGAN. Analysis of Hypothesis 3 with using Z-test result the experimental class 1 and 2, the proportion of students who complete learning research 75%. Furthermore, the test of the difference in the average use of prop plugins with Abaqus using the RAG-T test, the results that learning mathematics using plugins has an average of more than the average mathematics learning using the approach to the learning outcomes of Class 2nd Gugus Kawi Elementary School Semarang in addition and subtraction material whole numbers. After testing the difference in the average learning outcomes, then further calculating the increase in student abilities between before and after treatment is the experimental class 1 and 2 using NGAN. Data increase the average value of the pre-test and post-test of experimental class 1 and 2 is presented in a line diagram. The NGAN class that used plugins is the experimental class 1 is higher than the experimental class 2 using the prop in the Abaqus even though the same criteria are met. This is in line with the research conducted by Murdianto using a quasi-experimental method. The results of the study showed that the teaching and learning process using the learning media plugins produced good learning achievement compared to using learning media on the site. Students who have high interest or low interest in their achievement in the teaching and learning process using plugins media are better than using Abaqus media. The difference in learning outcomes is because learning using images media carried out in the control class has not given construct things to students because it is only limited to saying picture and making it difficult for students to understand the addition and subtraction material. Whereas props plugins and Abaqus provide construct things and students get hands-on experience with counting. Conclusion in this research are plugins are more effective than control class images media. The Abaqus are more effective than the control class images media. Plugins are more effective than prop on the Abaqus. So that in general, it can be concluded that the learning outcomes using prop plugins are most effective compared to using Abaqus and images media in the control class. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I could share in this very special occasion. Thank you for your attention. Your question and comment are all welcome. Thank you and good morning.